How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day out, but we've got 35, 40 mile an hour wind gusts. So hopefully this Comica Lav Mic, wireless mic system, whatever you want to call it, will keep me up to speed here with you guys. You guys can hear me just fine. I am using a little different one here. I'm not using the actual wireless piece. I'm using the built-in mic with the windscreen. So we'll see how this works. Well, today we're gonna make a quick video to see what can Max really do. It's a powerful little 26 horsepower tractor. And today we're gonna use a poor man's tree puller. I've got my Mahindra pallet forks on here, and I've got a dead techie arborvitae tree over in our tree line. When they built our house, they put a drain line right next to the tree, which is where our water softener drains out of. It's really no secret, saltwater is not good for plants, and so when the saltwater system did regenerate, it was dumping it right next to the tree, which ended up killing it. I was hoping it would grow back. Well, it's not looking too promising. We're gonna hug the tree up here close with these pallet forks. I don't want to grab my chain out, so I'm gonna use this Ratchet Strap, pull it tight, and just see if we can pull it out of the ground. And we'll backfill it with some dirt, and hopefully we'll get some good quality dirt in there so we can get some trellises and some vines growing as kind of a more privacy for our neighbors. So hope you guys will stick around and see, will Max pull it? That's the tree we're pulling right there. Go ahead and move the pallet forks in. Quite pull it, but it broke it off, so really not sure what else I could have done there. It just broke the tree off at the base, but hey, that's all right. So you can see it just broke it off at the base. Throw it all here on the pallet forks and we'll go burn it. I have to do a little bit of digging to get the roots out, but got it. Look at that. Good news is we got the piece out we're looking for. Again, I think Max would have pulled it out of the ground, but decided just to break off. So we got what's left of the root there out and the rest of the dead stuff. So go ahead and throw what we got here in the bucket. The dirt looks pretty decent, so that's good news. The damage is already done to the tree. It's gone. So now we're just gonna clean this up, make it look nice, put the pipe back together that I decided to break apart, which again, not a huge deal. It's a pretty easy fix. Well guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today. We got the tree out, we filled it back in with some dirt. We're gonna add some trellises over here, some vines, let it grow up, and we'll do that in another project. But as you can see, I think Max would have pulled it out of the ground, but I couldn't get a good grip on it. And if I had him a little more patience, I probably could have got a tighter grip and put chains around the pallet forks there. But long story short, I think the pallet forks would work great for a poor man's tree puller, but you know, I don't know, this first time, we'll see what happens. I was able to use the heavy hitch tooth bar to dig in there quick and get those roots out of the ground. So it wasn't a huge deal, and this was a small piece. So thanks for sticking around today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stick around and we'll see this getting finished top here with some more trellis and some vines to grow up and make this kind of a nice, fill in this nice gap. So thanks again for stopping in. I'll catch you in the next one.